The mission to Mars refers to the ongoing efforts by various space agencies and organizations to explore and study the red planet. The primary goals of these missions include searching for evidence of past or present life, characterizing the planet's climate and geology, and paving the way for future human exploration. Some of the notable missions to Mars include NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, Mars Odyssey, and the Mars Curiosity rover, as well as the ExoMars missions by the European Space Agency and Roscosmos. The upcoming missions to Mars include NASA's Mars Sample Return mission and multiple missions by private companies such as SpaceX. Mangalyaan, also known as the Mars Orbiter mission, MOM, is a successful interplanetary mission launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, on November 5, 2013. The primary objective of Mangalyaan was to demonstrate India's technological capability to send a spacecraft to Mars and orbit the planet. The spacecraft was successfully inserted into Martian orbit on September 24, 2014, making India the first country in the world to reach Mars on its first attempt and the fourth overall to do so after the Soviet Union, United States, and the European Space Agency. The mission carried 5 scientific instruments to study the Martian surface, atmosphere, and mineral composition, among other things. Mangalyaan has helped to advance our understanding of Mars and has paved the way for future missions to the planet. In addition to its scientific objectives, Mangalyaan has also had important economic and political implications. The mission was completed on a relatively low budget compared to other Mars missions, making it a cost-effective and technologically advanced mission. This has reinforced India's reputation as a leader in low-cost space technology and has increased its standing in the global space community. The mission has also raised awareness about the capabilities of the Indian space program and has encouraged other developing countries to pursue their own space missions. Overall, Mangalyaan has been a major milestone for ISRO and for India, and it has further solidified the country's position as a major player in space exploration and science. Mangalyaan continues to operate and provide valuable data to the scientific community, even though it was only planned for a 6-month mission. Some of the key findings from the mission include observations of the Martian atmosphere, detection of methane on the planet, and images of the Martian surface that have helped to improve our understanding of the planet's geology and geomorphology. The mission has also demonstrated India's capability to launch and operate interplanetary missions, which will be crucial for the country's future space ambitions. In addition to Mangalyaan, ISRO has launched several other missions, including a successful Mars Orbiter Mission 2, MOM-2, and Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2 lunar missions. The organization has also made significant contributions to international space programs and has collaborated with several countries on various projects. With its growing capabilities, ISRO is well positioned to play a major role in future space exploration and discovery. ISRO's successful Mars mission has also had a significant impact on public interest in space and science in India. The mission has generated widespread excitement and has inspired young people to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics (STEM) fields. Additionally, the mission has also encouraged the private sector to invest in space technology, leading to the development of new industries and businesses. ISRO's Mars mission is also seen as a symbol of India's growing capabilities and ambitions in space exploration. The country has been making significant investments in its space program in recent years, and it has set several ambitious goals for the future. For example, ISRO plans to launch several missions to study the Sun, the Moon, and other celestial bodies in the coming years. The organization is also working on a human spaceflight program, which will allow India to join a small group of countries that have sent humans into space. In conclusion, ISRO's Mars Orbiter mission, Mangalyaan, has had far-reaching impacts, both scientifically and socially. It has advanced our understanding of Mars, inspired young people to pursue careers in STEM fields, and reinforced India's position as a major player in space exploration. The mission will continue to be a source of pride for India for many years to come.